So we are reviewing the Baretobeauty foundation today. Yeah, I got it at the trade fair. I didn't really want to get it, but the owner was like the CEO was so friendly. She was so welcoming, and they test me and say this is my shade. Even though I doubt it, lat latte is my shade. So let's try it. They gave me this beauty sponge as a gift. I got the foundation and they gave me this as a gift. Let me go watch it whether it's and see too whether it's a good one too. We are reviewing two things today, the foundation and the beauty sponge. So this is my eyes. I'm not doing too much because it's how people usually stare when I have a full face of makeup. I don't know if it's just me or when I'm running errands with a full face of makeup, people tend to stare too much. So we are reviewing this like I said. Let us go to their Instagram handle. I've been on their Instagram, I've been on their website. They don't really have that much information on the foundation. I don't know why brands, you guys don't do swatches. Please help us and do swatches so that if somebody wants to get it online, it will be easier. You guys are doing swatches for lipstick and all, but no swatches for the foundation that are even more important. So I think it's 14 shade from what I've gathered. It's 14 shades. So and this is latte. This one is like 11. So they are like 3 more shade after my shade. There's 3 more. Their darkest is really dark, but I don't know if it's really dark like that, like real life. You know what is show here is always quite different. But when I saw it on the trade fair, it looked really dark. So and they say it's HD foundation. It's HD. It's 24 plus hours, medium to full coverage, flawless, lasting finish, velvet matte, long wearing. We'll try all that today. So let me put in my primer first. That will go in with foundation. The problem I had when they were trying the foundation on me was the shade. You know the shade is different, right? When you wear a foundation and you still be looking white or you be looking a particular kind of way. But they say this was my shade. They are the one that tested me. So this is not my shade. That means it's from them. But that's one of the reasons I went to that trade fair. So that I'll have my shade of some of these foundations. This is how it comes. Movement of truth. Let me shake it because they shaked it when they were trying to me. We don't see up. Let's see. Is this shade something? Is this shade something? You guys see, I was asking. They're like, no, this is my shade. The other one was too bright. Is it like it's so expensive to make darker foundation? So this is my shade. Let me blend it out. Moment of truth. I don't know if I should continue. Oh my goodness. It has a scent. The foundation has a very sweet scent. My goodness. This is I got this foundation retails for 12,600. So this is my 12,600. I should continue and make it work, right? Aren't I looking coffin ready? God, and this is a Nigerian brand. This is a Nigerian brand. And the CEO was so friendly. I don't think this will work. I don't think it will work. I think I should just stop here, right? Because how will I blend this? I'm looking so coffin ready. And this is 11. What I was telling the sales this thing, this is not my shade. She said this was my shade. Is it not looking darker? I'm looking coffin ready. I'm looking coffin ready. Can't continue. Imagine me, I'm going to and God, quite disappointed. I had so much hope. It's really mad because it has dried up. No undertone. It's white. It's white. This is not right now. Isn't right. Goodness. And when they say we are talking, we want to spoil people's business, this is not me trying to spoil anybody's business. I went to that trade fair. You guys saw me there, right? I went to that trade fair. I sat down. They should try up my shade, and I wear glasses. So when I'm not, and they're using this side of my face, so I'm not really looking. I was arguing with that girl. This is not my shade. She said this is my shade. She tried another one, just too dark. Two of them have white cast, like white undertone, white undertone. I told her I have golden undertone. She said, yeah, this is mine. This is, it's even looking dark. No undertone. It's the undertone. So this one is the concealer. This is the foundation. This is the foundation. I'm really disappointed. Like, this is, you guys saw my vlog on my makeup fair vlog that I didn't know who Baretobeauty was until I got to that trade fair. And because of how accommodating and how welcoming their CEO was, I had to stop at their stand to get myself the foundation. So this is what I wasted. I got it at that 11,000 plus in naira. So this is what I spent my 11,000 plus in naira for. I don't know if they don't see that it's having, even this one on their Instagram page. When you apply it, it's white. I can't believe in 2024 a Nigerian brand is making a foundation that does not have on that one. I can't believe this. This look like those classic of those years. This look like oh my goodness. See. Did it blend out well? Let me see if it really blends out well. And they call it medium to full coverage. This cannot be medium to full coverage. I think they have to go back to the lab. Imagine you going to somebody that produced something and you sat down and they tested you and told you this is your shade and you came out with this. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to do. I should just go and clean my whole face. I don't know. That's why I say their Instagram so don't have any information. They don't display this thing there. If you even see, can't they see that there's no undertone in this foundation? I'm quite disappointed. I'm really disappointed. So imagine that their darker shade. If a black person wears it, a darker person wears it, It will still look coffin ready like this. It still look coffin ready. I had so much hope, like nobody had on their phone. So guys, this is how the Baretobeauty foundation is. This is the shade they gave me. That's my shade. I don't think I can continue because it's a waste of time.